no mutegeri wa Meru Tv nkuwatewe nikiretho cia Meru Tv muthenya jwa ntuku ya Jumaine tariki 17 achia mweri wa elimu akeni wa 2026 ambita muthoni wa KIRIAMANA mbito kunenkeria cio itetauri kana ichunkwa no menyera karikite kaunti ya Meru omeya Meru na kinya thigurune yetu yonthe ya Kenya ukaolo ni ututhiatira kimitandao yetu yo kinyanire Facebook na kinya YouTube Meru Tv Kenya kenda kugwata ndetoi na ingi inyingi tukiambiriria niretireketie utukinyila mbunge wa Ikuru kaunti ya Meru Elizabeth Kailemia na achumirite na kulikithia akuwata mbaru kwa thirikari ya Rais Ruto na munini wawe Kithure Kindiki kiakiwa ikwithirite kwina mirandi na maendeleo yethirite akioneka kaunti ya Meru kuma kiri thirikari nene kaite no kuna chumiritie na kuria muingi kuba kuthira bagete na mbere na uchiandikithia kimutaratara yo gimbo wa mwiri yo sha irenjire mwe ya utire nende utungata bwa mwiri bukumba kuthira bukiagirithwa riboti mwandiki wetu wa NTETO mukiri onkunja.
Mubunge wa Ikuru kaunti ya Meru Elizabeth Kailemia na wetawe ari thirikari nene atomba kwithira kebebelari ko nonto thirikari ni hawiti na mbere na kinya nonete maendeleo ya maingi kumania na mutongoria wa thiguru no Rais Ruto
na ikyo ndungi na thirikari nonto ketha ati thirikari mantu jara ote sibitari nyasha iria twamena iria no igwita ngugithai cukuru rukona tuchumetie tukauga capitation ya kinya cukuru kurio imubuga mjumbe twetire na ukuga yes endo ketha turuite na mutongeria utumwira amantura zatukubura tukwenda ri utitikia bija mjumbe barabara aturo kuwa barabara mwanka ndona mheshimiwa TJ arungama nkamenya kuwa security ndona mheshimiwa Mutunga arungama nkamenya barabara Sentan Miomponi ndona kire marungama no barabara yange kuka ndona mheshimiwa okwa uweto ande nkele na ande inya deputy president ya mwita kore ona muona kahua kore kwa ito witangu gitu just mwena subira na mantu jakabwa ute nyomba yakaona ntuku imwe na ikyo ndungi na thirikari
kaitene kawetariria witi na mbere barabonekete kuma ki mutongoria wa thiguru no Rais William Ruto no wete kinya kimera kia miramo nkathai nikianjiriritie kuona weru kumani na thoko ira ya Somali
ira yetu na ndi twina thoko itukuonerara tumba kwendia tutikwendia na njira ndege yake na no tuenderete kwaririria nuntu mantu ja tutumba gwita Somali twira president ya Somali no mwanka mubwithio ande irenda kwairaniria mpara itukinyete araya na mbuga ntu baraba gushurika mantu jau jabwa pio bakeja na babwire arabu tukinyitie
na riu Kailemia tara mwingi na kubori bombe kwethani bakoita sha nonto inotethio bunene na ini njire mo thirikari nene igite ne yo tetheria ntu maturene
ankubwire ito ojorerie ni register ni na ikabutethia ndi witness wikana kama mutano cia karajitwe ketua chiringi milioni na shani rombere kuria magana jatantatu kuira turatirwa kuria ti nyingi shani gwitanguge ngibwira register ni uteka ya kwaje no to teaja gwate karambu nge ukoethero imurimo no teke wina kio ende uketha wina sha na mathugane ya sha jejere ni untu bwa mantu ja saratani ja kansa nuntu mtu ari ajwa ikansa bukendia ng'ombe bukendia nyamiunda na mtu achitira
kumembe mbeta mukiri onkonja
Ibaya muno mwandiki wetu wa NTETO mukiri onkonja no ntubariboti una njira indiku tugete na mbere na NTETO ingi David Maraga uro kuromba giti kia president kana kia rais thigurune ya Kenya mwakene yo ithurano twitite yo 2027 na chumirite na kumeneria nene athirikari nene akiwa nere mikumba kuthire kia ariria mpara ya kiara mwirethirite gita na mbere thigurune ya Kenya akiwa nende ikwethirite kwina aritwa kathomba na kinyamechie ile tubetukithire kiona gya kurontu burabu tumete kwa tuke kinyana batikumba kuthira kita chukuru riboti ya mwandiki wetu wa NTETO mutugi wa Kiambi.
Kenyans want fundamental change to the governance system. The governance system we have is an extractive system. An extractive system where those in power use their positions literally like ATMs and that they are taking a lot of government resources. As a result, they are denying wananchi, chances to education and healthcare. So I am going to go to the very end, and we are urging that we must do that. Whether or not I will work with other parties, I have said this before and I want to repeat it. I have no problem working with any other parties, but I'm ready to work with those who have similar views and similar visions. Why? Because what we have in Kenya is a problem that has been brought by the government. The government has literally looted public resources with impunity. They are looting with impunity because there is no political will from the top to deal with corruption. And my vision and my main reason why I am running is to deal with corruption squarely. So any other leaders who are willing to join in that fight will work together. We'll work together so that we bring that menace to an end. And as you know, the main problem in corruption is budgeted corruption. Millions and hundreds of millions being squandered. You've seen payments to ghost schools. You've seen payments to ghost hospitals. And nobody has been taken to court. Have you seen anybody being taken to court for that? It is because there is no political will to do that. The government, right from the top, is involved in that routing, and that's what we want to do. IBC is duty bound. It is its duty to make sure that they register those who are willing to register themselves and are of age to register. But they don't expect those people to go to constituency headquarters, as I said, because quite a number of the people who have not registered are young people, unemployed. IEBC should make very, very elaborate plans to move to to centers. And I have said they can even go to churches. After church in the afternoon, people will go and register. We have ourselves even asked them to come, and they have come to a few centers where we have got a gathering, and they have registered. So they should take every opportunity to make sure that they register. They register.
Kalento rindo mwewa atongere bakiama kya DCP nende na chumirite na kuga kwina mubango na gikundi kirakubanganie kenda gutigire bakumba kutherebetokaniria ukumio kiri utongeria abonthigure ya Kenya na muno au county ya Meru akiari nende na bugite bana itete na mbere na kumba kwithira kiwatela Meru na utira Meru ibakumba kwithira bakigunika na nkuruku iko na mirandi kumba kwithira kioneka kumakiri thirikari akiari akiwe ogete na mbere na kumba kwithira kinyelia thirikari kenda utira kwina witina mbere bukumba kwithira bukioneka Meru.
Akiaria mithikari nturi umwe watongeria banene bakiama kia DCP na ugite na mbirite kugwatanira na Meru bangi nikenda bagachokeria county iji ukumio na mono aria murikite utongeria urimi na kinya utongeria bwina gitio
lore igwakurikite nkuromba kana mbuo wigwa ngutangaza nkwendete fulani, but I'm saying I'm recruiting an army ya ntubarea Pombo Ntetheria could restore the lost glory of Meru County. People should ask me, what do you mean by restoring lost glory? I shouldn't be asked to explain. Kananka wa impe wenda ekemwe mbele tena tankuai heshima ya Meru iliurite kenda mbua kuuma tene watu wa Meru yikene na nchamba yaba mwali ama baumitana baimunge kurosi ati turona Meru ni yikene na ntubakuma njege yaki kuri mambamba sunflower na intopingi itwari itonga na mayani. Meru ni yikene no tonga bo kaua nako tutinako. So no ntubamantu ya dirite ituthini tempesi katika miukone. Na no ntu ya karikite then itwete father jamba twari na chosi yakura kenye kaibwa. Kinyagurura mutipati Meru pakitobu imanyari bare wa the forefront pakireitu murunge and the others. Twarwa tuona katiba inja
nkuruki mutongeria ujo na ugite we ageta nambere gutetera mugongo jwa Meru ni untu Meru monka thaiji ikarija ndithiete na murithi
Meru itwire na 2 ministers raino mwabu nawe Meru twari 4 kubinga kura Kenya ikyo tuonere back no tiro to that way in terms of representation to tesawa tusiodie Meru urero tuinokea tuinampara na tuina that rich history banki 44 si Meru cooperative bank is of stream branches the central bank of Kenya is in Meru no tukwe ko papu mbesa hicho kishina kungi it means we have money ile tutumira but yes we have become beggars either tutena byo bya tutosibwa then bwambira to ya tukaurania uti mutungu kauria byo bi nanga uni bomba kuria no twabange batiumiria
nkuruki mutongeria ujo ariuga ageta nambere kugwatithania mugongo jwa Meru kinyo keja kwithira kuri atongeria bakumorotithiria biara bakiugaga no kugania mugongo juju
uni nte muntu ogurudania antu de muntu okuraira kisianto na nkemenya exactly what I mean na nte muntu wandu abana nte igwe sibitari na nyandu bakenda kuwa ankwadura na Meru ndebiro ngabane no yoro krema bwena laburari bugwa ngwenda kwadura nantu kuwa daraka te Meru kakwini ndadhidire bubwe kuboteo na neunda were mimi nikisema rekondi ya serikali nini mnaniambia kwa pale hawa shilingi ngirijire kana maana 5 muwe na heshima wenda kutusi watu wanajua kile wanasema
alite jaja ari wandine ya bothuguchia baruguru kirigicigo mbunge ga Central Imenti kigongwa nene kia mathiko na kigukuri na atongeria bangi nkabo batongeretwe mujumbe wa guntu guku Kirimangushini
narua nowe na waziri na ndego gatwa direction yenjaga utwitithia ura Meru itirwa no turujithania nyetha twina various opinions twithe twiba kanisa na tuli antu bamwe kabo utegwitikiria gwe tuli antu bamwe are we one people we are not if we are one people na ndo aira china ala wome ikeja kidi watu cio twathura na tukinya kugwatana kairi cia iturahata so much
nkiripotera Meru TV mbita Jeff wagitumam
Tuketana mbere na ndeto cia Meru TV muthenya ndaitari kuma kaunti ya Meru muthenya yo yori irombere kwithira bechumbiri na kunekira akaunti ya Meru mathaa 40 yanakomba kwithira bakibathikira na utira amendikithe yare bandikanirite ya gwitithwa nkathi ya komba kwithira ya ikinyanira bakere nende na muthoro bombete kwithira bakiwa bo maendikithe yo kara komba kwithira ya ikinyaniro bakethira abagitia mugomo na bakethira bakikanthi mathaga ya ngwiri botia mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Mutugi wa Kiambi
kurwa wena inya kaunti nkurukia ngavana ka officers ba thirikari bo sabotage thirikari bendene kana ne atia Niki tumeta tumera
ni ngwatano ya ritingo ke baogi mabwa mwere aja kaunti ya Meru ba tongere tuni Elias Mutuma muande ki monne kire kiama kia ejaninda wajande gurune o mwena nesbeti mugendi muande ki kire kiama kia rigitani aja kaunti ya Meru ba kirita mukana jwa madha mirongo ena na jana na kire mbodi ya wandekani aja kaunti ya Meru gurure witu ankaze kwa manda gitare o mwena wekirwa shaini kwa mbeti kanendo ya bia manda gitare Meru
amemba betu bonde nara bali ibanjeria kuzwana araba kire bubuzera ira twara asio kitale arenge ibanjeria kuzwa iguna na kugura iguna na prembe tobere promotion chiao sirigere to account the public service bond na within 48 hours tugeta gwetia bai bange tugetie
atuto kuligwa formula ile baruka chibwiri konenkanirwa niriko jonto mtu akuthiria miaka 2 pamwe bakuthiria miaka 10 bange bakuthiria miaka 16 twino mwe ambao tutulitaya erigite kwa na promotion 2009 na mtu ujo atena inya kesi inya emwe kana eriko ikoni indiscipline kana mantu jara jomba kumuingera atikone promotions bate tukuligwa ithine eriko yaja between the employees na the board jonto tuje board no the employer
Deria kware na advertisement ya promotions community health assistants were left behind na kinya antobara toeta nurse anesthetist and there are others who were left behind. I would want to ask today, are we not part of health workers in Meru County? But tutorial tingogepa Meru na nitobati kwa considered when others are being considered. Nakokeja kwetherwa botena scheme of service of those cadres. Go to your offices and look for them.
Recognition agreement kabia mabira bitatamburika bataye wa recognition agreement kan document ga gwetia gusainwa na karamu nkori kaba ku import karamu gaka kana baka karetare kenda basaina recognition agreement nkori ga karamu go saina recognition agreement ga kajokia mwanka na gavana ugite tuka recognize according to law
uringana rigitani baba ni ate amuna gavana mutumanto ithinge kwania wiru bwa weba gutungatira mathina jaja bodi ya wandikani Meru no injiretie metho NTETO iji
utembeza itengwa na assembly itengwa thirikari ndiko twekite tumika na gwatweka itiobo twiri na cietere beza cio promote health care workers na cietere County Public Service Board na tuge bukejo toma a Meru baga services ya health no ntubato manto to kai to office to manto to karande na kuandika barua no promote anto to toma anto bakua just no ndo tiombo karande o promote anto nengo ge kuko promote anto just because o tiombo karande na karamu osaina document na in document yo teke gwetia ende togome antoba Meru ba mie it is wrong nagato bwere tutego mato teta kwa ngavana tukago mato yetu ya bisine chienu no ntoi tuiji no thinere na gwa tweka ndire ebo kodidi deliberate me ano bodidi ndire ebo kenda gweteka something it is possible kwa governor na ugire ote corruption Meru na ndai wa bwera abo andekera free na abo andekera Meru free now within 48 hours letters should be coming. If they are not coming, we are coming ourselves.
Nkoroki ni barombete thirikari ya kaunti omwe na bodi ya wandikani kuthingatira mutaratara jwekerejo aritingo ge scheme of service nikenda kwagirithia mitaratara iji
batu itukuligwa imbiongo etumite county Public Service Board ya Meru na thirikari yetu ya Meru ereka ku adopt this process kenda ntobeto bomba gutetheka itolo ibogeta era process ala tukona tukinyerwa jini josheri ibokareta ala batu tukugunika jawakas buteleta kenda tomba gutetheka
kiripotera Meru TV kuma gicigo bunge keno thimenti Beta Mutungi wa Kiambi
Bea muno mwandiki wetu wa NTETO mutugi wa Kiambi no tubariboti na njira ikinyandirite na ronora mutugi wa Kiambi arwatwikira gatanta ka NTETO cia Meru TV muthenya ni wa Beta Muthoni wa KIRIAMANA na mbere na kumba kwithira ukithiatira Meru TV no tukena mibango kathombere bangi no ntuboku